Introducing Figure 8 aerial installation cable suitable for pole and wall installation. The cable accommodates from 1 to 4 optical fibers, and it provides a tensile strength from 0.5 to 3 kilonewton. It utilizes G657A2 single-mode optical fiber. The outer layer is made of low-smoke zero halogenless black. The cable jacketing is composed of thermoplastic or thermoset that emits limited smoke and no halogen when exposed to high sources of heat. For ML or operation temperature ranges from -20 degrees C to +70 degrees Celsius, and the recommended installation temperature starts from 0 degrees C to +40 degrees C. Storage temperature ranges from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. OptoWire cables are coiled on a wooden drum. During transportation, the right tools should be used to avoid damaging the package and to handle it with ease. Cables should be protected from moisture, kept away from high temperatures and fire sparks, protected from overbending and crushing, and protected from mechanical stress and damage. The 4 types of cable have a ripcord, which allows opening a cable with ease. Messenger wire material is made of galvanized steel wire, except 0.5 kilonewton, which is a steel zinc-coated messenger wire. For 0.5 and 3.5 kilonewton type aramid yarns content is approximately 6,000 D. For 1 kilonewton partial aramid yarns content is approximately 2,840 D. For standard 1 kilotone aramid yarns content is approximately 8,520 D. In conclusion, initial and periodic product qualification tests for performance and durability are performed rigorously to ensure product reliability.